Hello guys, I'm here with Guaranty RV off of Highway 99 in Junction City. Today we will be looking at a Freedom Express Coachmen 2020 324 RLDS. Let's go inside and have a look around, guys. When we get inside, we will have a dinette to the left. It will drop down, make into a bed. On from that, we will have a big TV. Underneath that, you'll have an electric fireplace. And then right across from the TV, you will have a reclining sofa couch that will have heat and massage. And then you will have a futon sofa bed in the far back of the trailer, where you have the big window that will turn into a queen size bed. So on from there, you will have a ton of storage all the way around, a 10 cubic fridge, a nice little storage right beside that you can put all your food and canned goods, and a nice middle island with ducted heat coming from it. On into the bedroom, we will have a queen size bed. Right beside that, we will have a sofa with storage behind it, and then we will have a small closet for your clothing, your jackets, or any other goodies. Underneath the bed, you will have some extra storage as well. But this is a Coachmen Freedom Express 2020 324 rear living. And if you do have any questions, please feel free to give me a call. And on to the outside, some of the cool features will be the 5.1 power jack up in the front. And then you will have a solar panel plug right by the pass-through on the right side of the coach. You will have a wrapped front fiberglass cap. And then on the back of the trailer, you will have a nice ladder where you can actually access the roof. Make sure your seals are good. You will have a awning across the entire coach. Back of the trailer, we will have a outdoor kitchen, stovetop grill with a small little sink and a fridge for those outdoor adventures. If you do have any questions, please feel free to give me a call at 232-4465, but don't forget the 541. We're at Guaranty RV. Thank you guys so much.